Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today I've cut all my pieces. I've gone ahead and sewn a bit pieces together, as you always know, just to save time. Okay, now I believe I've done from one all the way to the sleeve, but I'll still walk you through it. Okay, so I'm gonna sew today. This is one of the sleeve. Okay, and I'm gonna walk you through the other piece that I haven't sewn yet. The bottom part is just gathering, and you join to the top cap of the sleeve. My fabric is very transparent. See? So what I did is the top sleeve I put underlay, not lining, underlay. Okay? And then the top part also I did the same thing. Underlay means the main fabric and the underlay has become one piece, not a lining. Okay, mostly it's done in evening wears and bridal, but you can also use it in regular outfit. Okay, depending on your fabric, how it looks like. Okay, as I said, mine is very transparent, so that's what I did. Now I've done also the midriff, and this is lining now, but the midriff I put the underlay in there, just to, instead of using interfacing, also it helps it. Okay, so as I said, this is midriff. See this piece? You see where it goes to the top piece of the bodice and the bottom part. It joins together. It's in the middle. I don't know if you can see it in here. It's hard to see it, but it's in the middle of the top bodice and the bottom. There we go. I hope you can see it. Okay, so now let me go to the machine and I'll walk you through it. Okay, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. Okay, the facing for the front and the back, I also didn't put interfacing, and I also didn't put underlay. Simple because I have it in the blouse itself, and that's good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna sew the sleeve with you and join that, and then the bodice also, I'm gonna join that. Let's see. I have such a funny fabric. The brocade in there is so thick it doesn't gather smoothly, and also it was difficult to cut, and it shreds everywhere. But anyway, it's a nice fabric that I've had for what, 20 years or over 20 years. So finally decided to use it. Okay, I've joined this, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna join the facing, join the side seam of the top part, and I'll be back. Okay, so hold on again. Hello, I'm back. Okay, now this is the bottom part of the blouse. That one I didn't put any lining underlay in there. Forget about the lining. Underlay, okay? I didn't put it. And I think the first time I said overlay, but it's underlay. Okay, so see, so it's one fabric and I make the dot as one piece. So the side seam and everything, shoulders are all done to go. Now your midriff, where did I put it now? The midriff is also done to go on. The two sleeves are all done and ready to go on. And the facing also, I didn't put any interfacing. I just left it plain because I don't want it to become so bulky. So I left it plain. Now you need 22 zip, 22 inches zipper. You need that. So this is the end of the video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. I think you've seen everything. This is the back. This is the front. And this is the front. Okay? So see you next week. Bye-bye. Thank you.